Cauliflower. It looks so simple, but it's a real powerhouse. This white, flower-like vegetable is not only beautiful to look at, but it's also packed with countless benefits. For years, it has been feeding people all over the world and has become an important part of every kitchen. Whether it's Indian curry or Italian pasta, cauliflower finds its place in every dish. It takes care of your health. The vitamins C, K, and fiber present in it are very beneficial for our body. It not only boosts our immunity, but also strengthens our bones. Its taste is as unique as its benefits. You can eat cauliflower roasted, boiled, or even raw. It tastes amazing every way. In this video, we will learn about the history of cauliflower, its nutritional value, and its health benefits. The history of cauliflower cultivation is centuries old, and the story of its development is also very interesting. Talking about its nutrition, it is low in calories and high in nutrients. It is also helpful in weight loss. Cauliflower juice or smoothie is also a great option. So, let's learn about this white, flower-like vegetable, which is no less than a boon for our health. By consuming it regularly, you can avoid many diseases. Include cauliflower in your diet and reap its countless benefits. It will not only enhance the taste of your food, but will also make your health better. The history of cauliflower is as interesting as its taste. It is believed to have originated in the eastern Mediterranean region about 6,000 years ago. Initially, it grew wild. Then gradually, farmers started cultivating it. Over time, cauliflower spread throughout the world. Merchants and travelers took it to different countries, where it became a part of the local cuisine. Cauliflower arrived in Europe in the 16th century. In the beginning, people considered it to be a strange, foreign vegetable, but soon it became popular among the wealthy. Its cultivation began in countries like France and Italy, and it began to be cooked in different dishes. By the 18th century, cauliflower had become an important part of European cuisine. It was boiled, roasted, and pickled. Cauliflower came to India in the 19th century with the British. Initially, people thought of it as a vegetable from cold places, but gradually it became a part of Indian cuisine. Today, cauliflower is one of the most popular vegetables grown and eaten in India. It is cooked with potatoes in a spicy gravy, made into fritters, and even pickled. Section 5. Nutritional Powerhouse. A look at the numbers. Cauliflower is packed with nutrients. 100 grams of cauliflower contains approximately protein, 2 grams fiber, 2 grams, vitamin C, 77% RDI, vitamin K, 20% RDI, folate, 14% RDI, potassium, 9% RDI. It is also a good source of vitamin B6, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. Section 6. Vitamins and minerals. A rich tapestry of health benefits. Cauliflower is not just a versatile vegetable in the kitchen, but it is also a powerhouse of essential nutrients that contribute significantly to our overall health. The vitamins and minerals present in cauliflower are very beneficial for our health. They not only nourish our body, but also protect us from many diseases. Vitamin C boosts immunity, helps in collagen formation, and keeps skin healthy. It also acts as an antioxidant, which reduces damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin K, very important for making bones strong and for blood clotting. It also plays an important role in bone metabolism. Folate, essential for cell growth, especially for pregnant women. It is critical for fetal development and helps prevent neural tube defects. Potassium helps control blood pressure and keeps muscles working properly. It also helps maintain electrolyte balance, which is essential for many functions in our body. Apart from this, cauliflower also contains fiber, which improves digestion and supports heart health. It is low in calories, making it a good choice for weight management. There are many ways to include cauliflower in your diet. You can eat it raw, add it to salads, use it in soups and stews, or roast and grill it. It is delicious and nutritious in every way. So next time you go to the market, be sure to add cauliflower to your shopping list. It will not only make your meals delicious, but it will also improve your health. Section 7. Health benefits. From antioxidants to weight management. Cauliflower is not just a versatile vegetable in the kitchen, but it also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Let's dive deeper into how this humble vegetable can contribute to your overall well-being. Cauliflower has many health benefits. It not only makes your food delicious, but is also very beneficial for your health. Rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants present in it protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can damage our cells and cause many diseases. Antioxidants found in cauliflower, such as vitamin C and manganese, help neutralize these free radicals. Good for digestion. Being rich in fiber, it provides relief from constipation and keeps the digestive system healthy. The dietary fiber present in cauliflower helps keep your digestive system healthy. It keeps your intestines clean and maintains regularity, which relieves you from stomach problems. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C and other antioxidants strengthen immunity. Vitamin C present in cauliflower is an important antioxidant that strengthens your immune system. It helps your body fight infections and keeps you healthy. Helpful in weight loss. Due to low calories and high fiber, it is very good for those who are trying to lose weight. Cauliflower is very low in calories, but it is rich in fiber, which makes you feel full for a long time. This helps in controlling your weight and helps you maintain a healthy weight. Strengthens bones. Vitamin K and other nutrients help in keeping bones healthy. Vitamin K and other nutrients present in cauliflower play an important role in keeping your bones strong and healthy. It helps maintain bone density and protects against bone diseases like osteoporosis. Section 8. Culinary versatility. Beyond the curry pot. Cauliflower is one such vegetable that you can cook in many ways. It can be eaten boiled, roasted, steamed, or fried. It can also be used in soups, stews, curries, and salads. Low-carb options like cauliflower rice and pizza crust are also becoming very popular these days. Section 9. Conclusion. A vegetable for all seasons. Cauliflower is a healthy and tasty vegetable which benefits our health in many ways. Its interesting history, use in different dishes, and amazing nutrients make it an essential part of any meal. Next time you go grocery shopping, be sure to include this super vegetable in your basket and boost your health the tasty way.